Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to send money on PayPal using your credit card. So first, what you want to do is open up PayPal on your web browser or on your app, and then click on the Send and Request tab right here, and then click on Request. And then make sure that you guys have a second account with a different email. And then once you're done with all of that, all you have to do is just input the email of your second account. And then once you are done, click on Next, and then click on Enter the amount that you want to request. And then click on Request Payment. As you can see over there, it says you requested $100 from this account. And then what you want to do now is open up your email for your second account. And then as you can see over here, it says that you got a money request. What you want to do is click on Pay Now. And then from there, you can click on Next and then input your credit card details. And then once you're done, just click on Submit, and then the money will be transferred to your main account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer money to PayPal using credit card. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.